Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel independent suspension, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, overhead console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.